Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Welcome to my channel. It's been such a snowy winter here, and with Valentine's Day around the corner, if you're craving something chocolatey but a little healthier, I've got two treats you'll love. We're making two easy, no big chocolate treats today, starting with homemade dark chocolate bars and then chocolate covered date caramels. Now let's get started. For our dark chocolate bars, we'll need a few simple ingredients: coconut oil, a sweetener of your choice, maple syrup, honey, or whatever you like, roasted nuts, unsweetened shredded coconut, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Let's begin by chopping our roasted nuts. I'm keeping it simple with an assortment I picked up from Costco. First, melt half a cup of coconut oil over medium-low heat on the stove, or pop it in the microwave in 20 to 30-second intervals until fully melted. Next, stir in half a cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, or honey or your preferred sweetener, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract until smooth. If it's not silky enough, give it a few more seconds in the microwave. These silicone break-apart chocolate molds were from Amazon. They're very inexpensive. In Canada, I paid about $8 for them, and I love them. They're so easy to use. And this hearts mold was actually from Dollarama. It was also very inexpensive. Now pour the chocolate mixture into molds or parchment-lined tray. If you're adding roasted nuts or unsweetened shredded coconut, sprinkle them on top now. Finally, pop your chocolate into the fridge and let it set for about an hour. Once the chocolate is set, take it out of the molds and you're ready to enjoy. I used a knife to cut mine into nice even pieces, but honestly, you can just break it apart with your hands. It snaps really easily. This chocolate is so rich and delicious, plus it's made with simple ingredients and good fats, with none of the hydrogenated oils you often find in store-bought chocolate.
That's quite delicious.
Now let's move on to another super easy, healthier treat: chocolate-covered date caramels. You only need 4 main ingredients: Decollete Noor or Medjool dates, coconut oil, creamy almond or peanut butter, and dark chocolate chips or any chocolate you like for the coating. Once the dates are nice and soft from soaking, drain them and give them a quick pulse in the food processor. Add the nut butter and melted coconut oil, blend until it's super smooth and creamy. That's our caramel base. Spread it into a parchment-lined 9 by 5 inch pan and freeze for at least 3 hours until firm. When it's firm, go ahead and cut it into bite-sized squares. I tried it after 2 hours in the freezer and it was still a bit soft, so I'd recommend a little extra time to make sure it's nice and firm. Melt the chocolate with a little coconut oil. Then dip each caramel square and place them on a parchment-lined plate. Pop them in the fridge for about an hour, and your chocolate-covered date caramels are ready to enjoy. These date caramels are seriously delicious, chewy, sweet, and rich. Because they're made with dates, they also bring fiber and antioxidants, which is a nice bonus with every bite. What do you think of them, Nathan?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah, very good.
And here they are, our chocolate-covered date caramels and homemade dark chocolate bars, ready for Valentine's Day, perfect for sharing or sneaking a few yourself. Try them both and tell me your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.